Hi everyone, this is Jeje and welcome to Be Colorful. Today we're gonna create some cards using the Tonic Craft Kit 52, and in particular I'd like to share with you different ways to use small dice, just like the ones included in this kit. With these adorable dice, we can make small miniatures of kitchen tools, gardening, etc. But we can also use them to create background elements. Therefore, based on the width of a standard 4¼ by 5½ panel, I'm going to position the dice in a horizontal line. I fix them in this position with masking tape and I proceed to die cut the first line of tools on a white cardstock panel that I'm going to die cut with a stitch rectangle die. Then I'm going to die cut the second line, overturning the tools. And the third one, leaving some space where I'm gonna insert my sentiment. Okay, we keep this die cut for later on. Now I'm going to choose 3 cards included in the kit, one for each row of tools. I'm going to print let's and the with my label maker. While to emphasize the words bake and world, I'm going to die cut them with this set of dice on glossy black paper. Having decided how to arrange everything, I'm going to glue on the main panel. To create dimension and depth, I'm going to apply foam pad on the back of the main panel. Then I glue the 3 backgrounds. Finally, I glue the main panel onto a standard card that's 4¼ by 5½ inches. I finish this simple and essential card by adding a few drops of the yellow Dream Drop included in the kit. with the small die cut that we have kept from the previous card, we can create another background by positioning them randomly. The base, of course, can be colored with white die cut, or in my case, I propose you a white on white background. In this way, it will be easier to add other elements on your card without get a too busy background. I'm going to prepare the card base on white cardstock in standard size, that's 4¼ by 5½ inches. And again, on white cardstock, I'm going to cut out the main panel slightly smaller than the card base. After that, I compose my white on white background with the small kitchen tools. I also add the whisk and the spatula. After positioning them randomly on the white panel, I am going to glue everything together. I cut out the excesses, and with the coral pink paper from the kit, I'm going to cut out a 4¼ by 5½ inches panel, thus creating finishing edges for the background panel. I then move on to create the sentiment, as well as the focal point of the card. On some vellum, I'm going to stamp one of the stamps included in the kit with clear Versamark ink, and I'm going to heat embossing it with red embossing powder. Now, with this die of the kit, which will be used to create the pocket of the apron, I'm going to die cut the vellum, creating a ball. On the ivory pearlescent paper included in the kit, I draw the cream to put inside the ball. I'm going to glue the cream by applying the glue only in the part of the vellum where there is the sentiment. Then I'm going to decorate the background panel with 2 rows of red ribbon, which we found in the kit. To keep them in place, I'm going to use strong double-sided adhesive tape. I'm going to glue my focal point onto a circle with scalloped edges, which I'm going to die cut onto the coral pink paper, so it will match the finishing edges. The inner part of the circle, on the other hand, will be white. I glue the circle to the card base with some foam pad to give a nice dimension. Then I glue the main panel onto the coral pink panel. Finally, everything on the card base. I just have to glue the ball, to which I'm going to add a ladle that I'm going to die cut on craft paper. I finished the card by creating a beautiful 3-dimensional cream thanks to the yellow dream drop included in the kit. The first part of the video ends here. I look forward to seeing you at the next video, where we will continue to use all the small and cute dies included in this kit. The ideas, of course, can also be applied with different dies. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up, a comment, and if you like, you can share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you next time. Bye bye and be colorful.